and Veil Play Videos on our channel. Today I'm going to be giving away a shiny Terrakion, and this is level 100, Rock and Fighting, with Pokerush Shiny. The moves it has are X-Scissor, Close Combat, Earthquake, and Stone Edge. The held item is Choice Band. The nature is Jolly, and ability is Justified. And to enter this giveaway, well, first it's going to be a GTS giveaway. To enter this giveaway, you have to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, tell me what Pokemon you deposited, tell me what level, and tell me what gender. And it could be any Pokemon, but it cannot be a Pikipek or Yungoos because then that is hard to find on the GTS for me. And I'm sorry that I haven't done a giveaway in a long time, because my power save broke and I had nothing to clone Pokemon with. So then Clash of Keldeo was helping me, so go subscribe to his channel. And he's doing a live stream right now. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye.